Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 Pro. The official Creality Ender 3 Pro is a 3D printer that offers a range of features and benefits for both beginners and enthusiasts in the world of 3D printing. One notable feature is the removable build surface plate, which provides comprehensive protection to the printer's build plate while ensuring a consistent temperature across the build surface. This feature makes it easier to remove printed models after they have cooled down, reducing the risk of damage during the removal process. Safety is a key concern in any electronic device, and the Ender 3 Pro addresses this by including a branded power supply. This power supply serves as a safeguard against unexpected power surges, adding an extra layer of protection to the printer. Furthermore, the power supply enables the hotbed to heat up to 110 in just 5 minutes, reducing waiting time and allowing users to start printing more quickly. One of the standout functions of the Ender 3 Pro is the resume print function. This feature enables the printer to pick up from where it left off in case of an unexpected power outage. This is particularly useful as it prevents the loss of progress and materials, ensuring that you don't have to start the printing process from scratch. Number 2. Official Creality Ender 3. The official Creality Ender 3 is a popular and highly regarded 3D printer known for its impressive features and user-friendly design. One of its standout features is the resume printing function, which allows users to continue their print jobs even if there is a power outage or interruption in the printing process. This feature ensures that users do not waste materials or time in case of unexpected events. Assembling the Ender 3 is also made easy and quick due to the inclusion of several pre-assembled parts. Users typically only require approximately 2 hours to assemble the printer with 20 nuts, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. The printer incorporates advanced extruder technology, an upgraded extruder system that significantly reduces the risk of clogging and ensures smooth and consistent extrusion. Its V-shape with palm wheels contributes to noiseless and durable movement, enhancing the overall printing experience. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Mega S. The ANYCUBIC Mega S is a 3D printer designed to offer a user-friendly experience while providing high-quality 3D printing results. It boasts easy and quick setup with only 3 steps involving the use of 8 screws and 3 cables. This feature caters to both beginners and expert users who require fast assembly. One of the standout features of the ANYCUBIC Mega S is its upgraded extruder design. Equipped with a Titan extruder, this printer ensures precise extrusion for 3D printing, making it compatible with various filaments, including TPU, PLA, ABS, HIPS, and wood. The improved mechanical design and solid filament drive reduce the risk of clogging, ultimately enhancing printing accuracy. The printer also includes convenient features like resume print and sensor detection. In the event of a power outage or unexpected stoppage, the Mega S can resume printing from the last recorded position with just one click. Additionally, a sensor detects when the filament is running out, pausing the print and alerting the user. This functionality saves time and material costs. Number 4. FlashForge Adventura 3 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventura 3 is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed for user-friendly and hassle-free 3D printing experiences. One of its standout features is the absence of manual bed leveling, which simplifies the printing process and saves users valuable time. With the no-leveling printing capability, users can start printing right away without the need to spend time calibrating the build plate. Another notable feature of the Adventura 3 is its removable nozzle. This allows for easy maintenance and cleaning, ensuring that the printer stays in excellent working condition and extends its overall lifespan. The ability to remove and replace the nozzle also enables users to experiment with different nozzle sizes to achieve varying levels of detail and speed in their prints. The printer is equipped with a bendable build plate, which serves multiple purposes. The flexibility of the build plate allows for effortless removal of completed prints without the need for a scraper, reducing the risk of damaging the build surface and the printed object. Additionally, the bendable build plate assists in the overall adhesion of prints, leading to better quality and more reliable results. Number 5. JGMAKER Magic 3D Printer. The JGMAKER Magic 3D Printer is an upgraded version of its predecessor, designed with user-friendliness and convenience in mind. One notable feature is that it comes mostly pre-assembled, saving users the hassle of a complex setup. Upon receiving the printer, users only need to attach 3 modular components and fasten a few screws, a process that takes less than 30 minutes. The printer boasts a built-in power supply design, which not only contributes to a more elegant appearance but also enhances safety compared to other printers with exposed power components. This feature reduces the risk of accidental electrical contact and potential hazards. One of the standout functionalities of the JGMAKER Magic 3D printer is its filament runout detection. When the filament is about to run out during a print job, the machine emits a beep to alert the user. This enables timely intervention, allowing users to replace the filament and avoid the disappointment of a failed print due to an incomplete filament supply. Number 6. Sovol 3D SV0 for IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol 3D SV0 for IDEX 3D Printer is a versatile and innovative 3D printing machine that stands out for its independent dual extruder (IDEX) system, allowing users to print for different modes. With dual direct drive metal extruders, the SV0 can print in 2 different colors, 2 different materials, and even 2 separate models simultaneously, either in the same direction or in opposite directions. This feature greatly enhances creativity and opens up new possibilities for producing high-quality prints with a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PET, TPU, PC, PAR, wood, Acer, and PVA. The printer's large build volume of 300x 300x 400mm provides more space for users to explore their creative ideas and undertake larger projects compared to previous Sovol models like the SV01 and SV02. Additionally, the SV04's modular design ensures quick and easy assembly, allowing users to start printing faster. For improved print quality and convenience, the Sovol SV0 comes equipped with automatic bed leveling using a sensor that ensures the optimal distance between the print bed and nozzle throughout the printing process. This helps enhance bed adhesion and overall print quality. In case of any bed leveling issues, users can refer to the provided user guide and leveling guide video on the product page.